Introducing the first ever 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. An SUV that's ready to give you more than just space. Start with the convenience of an available digital key capability that adds functionality, access to your vehicle, and more. Inside, there's available seating for up to 8 passengers, featuring an adult-sized third row, with plenty of room still left for your gear. Enjoy space that's ready for whatever life throws your way. And choose from a variety of powertrains that deliver a remarkable blend of power and efficiency. Featuring a hybrid max powertrain that produces 362 horsepower with up to an estimated 27 combined MPG rating. Available all-wheel drive capability and up to 5,000 pounds of towing capacity. But it's the little things, like convenient tech that's easily accessible through a 12.3-inch touchscreen, the coziness of heated and ventilated seats, 7 USB charging ports, and even 13 cup and bottle holders that help make all that space more enjoyable.